Jason Smith here from TBM Brakes, and today I wanted to take a moment to go over the 4 key specs you need to know about your rear end before you purchase a rear drag brake system. The first spec would be your stud diameter. We will need to know whether you're running 1/2-inch studs or 5/8 studs. Second spec would be your bolt circle. If you are unsure if you are running a 5-on-4.5 or a 5-on-4 3/4, what you can do is you can take a measurement from the outside of one stud, skip a stud, and go to the center of the third stud. So here we have 4 3/4, so this is a 5-on-4 3/4 pattern. The third spec you need is your axial offset. That is the measurement from your axle housing flange here to the axle outside of your axle flange here. So we recommend measuring this with a pair of calipers so you can get a very accurate measurement. Here we're getting 2.5, so your axle offset would be 2.5 inches. If you're limited to measuring with a tape measure, it's critical to get to the closest 32nd so we can get you the proper depth hat. The fourth spec you need is you need to confirm your axle flange pattern. You can pull our axle flange pattern sheet from our website, tbmbrakes.com, and use that to confirm what pattern you have. You'll need to measure from center hole here to center hole here, and then center hole here down to the center hole here, and then also confirm what your bearing diameter is. For more tech information and information about our products, check us out at tbmbrakes.com. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/tbmbrakes, or check us out on Instagram at tbmbrakes.